EQ Equilium, Inc. Stock Analysis. General Overview and Trend. EQ has experienced extreme volatility over the past 3 months, characterized by explosive price movements. The stock began the period at $0.3733 in mid-May and surged dramatically to $0.8858 by August 11th, with extraordinary spikes including a peak at $1.36 on August 1st and $1.25 on August 11th. The price action shows a clear breakout pattern with parabolic characteristics, particularly in the final 2 weeks. The overall trend has shifted from consolidation in May-June to a powerful uptrend in July-August, with the stock gaining over 137% during this period. The recent price action suggests a momentum-driven rally with exceptional strength. Price and volume. Volume analysis reveals extraordinary activity, especially in the final 2 weeks. August 1st saw an unprecedented 144.4 million shares traded as the stock spiked to $1.36, followed by 245.7 million shares on August 11th during the run to $1.25. These volume levels dwarf the typical daily activity of 50,000 to 500,000 shares seen in May-June. The correlation between price surges and massive volume spikes indicates strong institutional accumulation and retail frenzy. The Chaikin oscillator at -70.7 million suggests some distribution despite the price rise, possibly indicating profit-taking after the explosive gains. Moving averages. The current closing price of $0.8858 is significantly above all key moving averages, reflecting strong upward momentum. Short-term averages are below the price, SMA 5 at $0.6335, EMA 5 at $0.6582, SMA 10 at $0.5615, and EMA 10 at $0.5875. Medium-term averages are also below, SMA 20 at $0.484, EMA 20 at $0.5138, SMA 21 at $0.4784, and EMA 21 at $0.5089. Long-term averages are substantially lower, SMA 50 at $0.4001, EMA 50 at $0.4497, SMA 100 at $0.4356, EMA 100 at $0.4768, SMA 150 at $0.543, EMA 150 at $0.5488, SMA 200 at $0.6049, and EMA 200 at $0.6154. The price trading well above all moving averages confirms the strength of the uptrend, with the steep slope of shorter-term averages indicating accelerating momentum. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators, MACD at 0.0795 with a positive histogram of 0.0298 confirms strong upward momentum. RSI 14 at 70.59 indicates overbought conditions but not extreme. Williams R at -47.43 shows moderate strength. Stochastic oscillators, K15 at 27.33, D15 at 27.89, K5 at 28.04, D5 at 23.27, suggest consolidation after the recent surge. CCI 20 at 268.41 indicates extremely strong momentum. Momentum 10 at 0.4402 and ROC 14 at 126.55 both signal powerful positive momentum. Trend indicators. ADX 14 at 54.77 shows very strong trend strength. A rune up at 76.0 and a rune down at 8.0 confirm bullish dominance, with a rune oscillator at 42.86. Parabolic SAR at 1.3419 is above the current price, which could signal a potential reversal if sustained. DEMA 14 at 0.6513 and TEMA 10 at 0.7217 both support the bullish trend. Volatility indicators. Bollinger Bands show extreme expansion with upper at 0.7486, middle at 0.484, and lower at 0.2194. The price trading above the upper band indicates overbought conditions but also strong momentum. ATR 14 at 0.1736 reflects high volatility, while NATR 14 at 19.59 shows normalized volatility. Volume indicators. MFI 14 at 97.95 indicates extreme buying pressure and overbought conditions. OBV at 458.7 million shows strong accumulation despite recent distribution signals. Stock RSI K5 at 77.17 suggests overbought conditions. Linear regression. The 20-day linear regression shows a steep positive slope, confirming the powerful uptrend. Price action is significantly above the regression line, indicating the strength of the momentum and potential for continuation. The most recent close is well above the regression line, suggesting the rally may have further to run before a significant correction. Opening estimate for next trading day. Given the extreme momentum and overbought conditions, EQ is expected to open between 85 cents and 90 cents. The massive volume on the last day and the overbought readings suggest potential for a gap down, but the strong trend could also lead to a continuation gap up. The parabolic SAR above the price increases the likelihood of a lower opening. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels are $1 psychological, $1.25 recent high, and $1.36 all-time high. Support levels are 85 cents recent consolidation, 75 cents previous resistance, and 65 cents EMA 200. At current price of $0.8858, distance to first resistance is $0.1142 and to first support is $0.0358. Given the proximity to support and the overbought conditions, intraday movement may see an initial test of 85 cent support, followed by a bounce attempt toward 95 cents resistance. The tight distance to support suggests limited downside in the short term. Intraday high and low estimates based on ATR 14. With ATR 14 at 0.1736, the estimated intraday range is high at $1.0594 and low at $0.7122. Given the recent volatility, this range may be conservative, and actual movement could exceed these estimates, especially to the upside if momentum continues. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. Continuation of the uptrend with a break above $1, targeting $1.25 and potentially $1.36. This would require sustained volume and momentum. The overbought conditions suggest this scenario may be limited in the short term. Bearish scenario. Correction toward support levels at 85 cents, 75 cents, and potentially 65 cents. The parabolic SAR above the price and overbought indicators increase the probability of this scenario. A break below 85 cents could accelerate selling. Neutral scenario. Consolidation between 85 cents and 95 cents as the market digests the recent gains. This would allow indicators to reset before the next directional move. Conclusion. EQ is in an extremely strong technical uptrend with exceptional momentum, but overbought conditions suggest a high risk of correction in the short term. The massive volume spikes indicate strong institutional interest but also potential exhaustion. The stock is significantly above all moving averages, which supports the bullish trend but also increases vulnerability to profit-taking. Investors should monitor the 85 cent support level closely, as a break below could signal a deeper correction. The parabolic SAR above the price is a warning signal for potential reversal. While the long-term trend remains bullish, the immediate risk-reward favors caution, with potential opportunities on pullbacks to key support levels. The extraordinary volatility suggests this stock is best suited for experienced traders with high risk tolerance.